Are you looking for an electric food chopper? In this video, I will show you the 5 best electric food chopper based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the portable cordless mini food processor. This electric garlic chopper is USB rechargeable with 3 hours charge. It can be used more than 1 month cordless and wireless chopping after fully USB charged. The wireless mini electric food chopper is durable, strong and powerful for efficient cutting meat, garlic, onion, nuts, mixed sauces, peppers, salad, vegetables and so on. The USB rechargeable garlic chopper cutter head is made of 304 food-grade stainless steel, and it's powerful and high in cutting efficiency. The baby food processor is BPA-free, without peculiar smell, and prevents bacterial reproduction. The 4th product on the list is the Pudum's Electric Mini Garlic Chopper. Electric Mini Garlic Chopper with 100 money-back guarantee policy. Our electric food chopper has 2 bowls which you can use for chopping nuts, ginger, garlic, onion, and other vegetables. Just put the ingredients in the mini food processor and press one button for a few seconds to mince the food. The 37W motor of the mini food chopper will provide a great performance. Upgraded 304 stainless steel blades of our garlic mincer provide fast chopping, which will save your time. The mini chopper electric has 3 blades for 250 milliliters bowl and 2 blades for 150 milliliters bowl. Thanks to the safety lid between the bowl and motor of our nut chopper, it is much safer to use and easier to clean. The 3rd product on the list is the electric garlic chopper. Mini garlic chopper can be charged through the USB interface. With the most advanced battery energy saving technology, can be used 35 times after 3 hours of charging. The battery indicator light on the main unit allows you to observe the battery status at any time. Cordless design, compact and exquisite, not take up space, bid farewell to messy, very suitable for family outdoor dining and long-distance travel. Just press and hold the top button to start and release to stop, no other complicated operations needed. To control the degree of shredding by the button holding time. Electric food chopper comes with a large caliber design, and the blade can be separated from the blender jar for easier cleaning and removal of food. The 2nd product on the list is the Hamilton Beach Mini 3. The patented stack and press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips and sauces. The 1st product on the list is the Quesnert Ch4DC. The Quesnert Elite Collection 4-cup chopper/grinder handles food preparation such as chopping, grinding, and pureeing effortlessly, making your kitchen tasks easier. The unique Smart Power blade has a patented auto-reversing ability with a sharp edge, so you can chop delicate ingredients and puree soft foods, while the blunt edge can grind through your favorite spices and harder foods. The superior blade lock system feature keeps you safe by securing the blade in place during processing and pouring. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.